Welcome back to another vlog. I am so sleepy. It's 4 a.m. 3 a.m. for us. We're in Tel Aviv. We just landed right now. Leo's coughing it up. Very cool airport though. Wow. We just got stopped and the camera checked. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put the camera down and we'll catch you guys in a bit. Unfortunately, there were a couple of mix-ups in the hotel, so we had to share a bed in the end. So me and Leo, two big boys, sleeping together. It's been many years since we've done that. Yeah. So it was definitely a lot of fun. This city so far seems super chill, super nice. The people seem really friendly, and yeah, the buildings just seem, you know, really clean, modern. Yeah, I didn't expect you know, Tel Aviv to be this like clean. The streets are spotless, and the beach is right next to the hotel right there. So we are here for an event called Vegan Friendly, one of the biggest organizations in the world for vegan festivals and that kind of stuff. But today and tomorrow it's a health conference, I believe it's called, where speakers like me and Leo and Dr. Clapper are gonna be just talking about the benefits of a plant-based diet for, you know, health, and in my case for fitness and bodybuilding, that kind of stuff. So you excited about it, Leo?
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. It's gonna be fun.
Have you planned a speech? Alright guys, so I just went down to the reception, and I think we're gonna have to share this bed for the next 2 nights. So 3 nights sleeping together. Is that possible, Leo? Or do you think we'll get another room?
I don't know. I mean, I think if anybody would need a couple of rooms, it would be the two of us. Because,
yeah, I'm 6'1", Leo's 6'4", or 5, or 7. So yeah, we're 2 big dudes, and this bed is not very big at all. So yeah. And he smells really bad. Okay guys, we're on our way out right now for a gym session. So this shows the dedication of these 2 soy boys right here. First thing we do when we land, straight to the gym and get a killer workout in. This gym is actually pretty insane. Way better than the gyms that I'm used to working out at. It's got everything that you need. Such a good session. What do you think, Leo? It was good?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
When
tired?
you work out with you, it's different. I always get extra tired when working out with your brother. I don't know if that's a brotherly sibling competition, even though there is 0 competition between the 2 of us.
Kind of reminds me of Rio, Brazil, where I grew up, because you got this kind of like sidewalk, and it got like beach volley, foot volley, a lot of people playing football or soccer. But yeah, it's a beautiful place. Wish my my fam was here with me, but you know, gotta make the most of it anyway. Alright guys, done by the beach. So I'm hungry. I didn't get anything after the workout, so I just got this Builder's bar. Probably my favorite vegan protein bar ever on the market. Definitely not the healthiest, not the cleanest ingredients. But when you're traveling and stuff, I personally find it a lot more challenging to get whole foods in. But guys, my excuse is it's got 20 grams of protein, and I need that after a workout, so I'm gonna enjoy this right now.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so we are at the conference right now, the Vegan Friendly, and I was greeted with a very juicy slice of pizza. I've never seen this amount of vegan cheese on a pizza before, so I'm pretty excited. Come on. It's been a while, a very long while, since I had a pizza that tastes like it has mozzarella on top. Very strange. I think Dr. Clapper is on right now.
Thank you for being here.
Alright guys, so I've been here a couple hours now, talked to a lot of people. It was a lot of fun. Even though today is not the main day is actually tomorrow. And I was offered another burger, so I could not say no. So I'd say nutrition wise, we're not off to a very good start here in Tel Aviv, but you know, I'm not gonna say no to a burger. Alright guys, we are back at our massive hotel room. Look, The beds are now split.
You're gonna be so far away.
It's gonna be sad. Your speech was amazing, I heard.
Yeah, it's the best feedback I've ever gotten. People were saying it was amazing and like the presentation was good and the engagement levels were good and it flowed well and it was easy to understand and they were saying that it was inspiring. So
humble brag.
Yeah, I was going to say that I was humble.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Before you were telling
there is no level of humility in this man.
Well, I am a doctor after all. I have to live up to the big ego doctor stereotype.
Exactly. So anyway, yeah, it was super cool. Tomorrow is a full-on day. I have to wake up early for an interview. We're gonna go to sleep, not together this time, unfortunately, in separate beds.
Still move it.
Yeah, shall we just press them together again?
Move it closer.
Let's do it. Good morning, guys. So it's the next morning right now, and I got dropped off right now at a interview location, I believe. The only issue is that my SIM card is not working here in Israel, and I can't find any Wi-Fi here, so I have no idea where the station is. So I'm gonna have to walk around back and forth a little bit until I find some Wi-Fi, and hopefully we can make this interview happen in time. Right, guys, so we are now about to start the segment, the filming for the interview and everything else. So super excited. This place is called I-24 News, which is a pretty big deal here, so I'm super excited.
So Ashley and John.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so just got back to the vegan friendly conference, and my speech is on in a second, so I just found this empty room to rest in, just to, you know, kind of get my mindset in the right place. I didn't get much sleep last night, so it's gonna be good just to relax, listen to some music, and get ready to deliver a great talk, hopefully. How are you doing today? Alright guys, so the speech went amazing. I did a Q&A. Didn't have time to take pictures and talk with the people after the speech, which is the first time for me. Usually I do the speech and then I do a couple of hours of you know, meet and greet and that kind of stuff. So I'm really sorry for anyone who attended who I didn't get the time to talk to. I appreciate every single one of you guys who were at the speech and everyone who's watching this and supporting me through the internet as well. Anyways, we are going now to a vegan restaurant. We haven't been to a restaurant yet here in Tel Aviv, so we've been recommended this place over and over again. It's been called the best vegan restaurant in Tel Aviv. 416?
Yes!
Noah's here as well.
Hello!
Why don't you introduce yourself? What do you do?
Yes, I am a vegan fashion blogger and a vegan advocate. My blog is Style with a Smile and you can check it out if you want.
Nice to meet you, man. Alright guys, so we're just looking at the menu and there's so many good things to choose from. So we got the owner here.
Hi.
What should we eat here? What do you recommend?
Well, the menu is divided into different sections. So depending on their kitchen, we have like a cold line where we do cold dishes. We have the grill where we do a lot of our like mock meats, which are some of our specialties. We use in-house, like we make our own seitan in-house. We have about 4 different variations of seitan. So those are definitely, we have like steak, shawarma, roast beef sandwich, Israeli barbecue, stuff like that. We have a nice calamari that we do on the King Oyster.
A calamari?
Yeah.
Oh, no way. Yeah, I used to like calamari. Okay, so I'm gonna have a steak. I'm gonna have a steak and a calamari today. That's like first time since 5 years. Okay guys, so we got a couple of starters right now. We got the calamari. So let's have a go. One little piece, some sauce. All right, let's see how this is. Good. It's got the same consistency. You remember we used to eat a lot of calamari?
Every
our dad,
Sunday almost,
yeah, almost every Sunday would have calamari and seafood and salmon, that kind of stuff.
Wow, it's
pretty
really
good, right?
Similar, yeah.
Yeah, and actually we got served some sangria as well. So yeah, I mean, I guess I'm getting fucked up. I'm just kidding, guys. I won't. I'm very responsible. That is way stronger sangria than in Spain.
Oh really?
Yeah. And this one's made of mushrooms. Chicken made of mushrooms, that's crazy. Alright, I still got another dish that just arrived, the Caesar salad. Caesar salad is just amazing. Sauce is on point. Fresh veggies, greens, amazing.
Last but not least, we promise we won't bother anymore. This is our fettuccine alfredo.
Oh man.
Thanks so much.
Okay guys, so we just got the steak sandwich. And here comes a real steak. I mean, not real, it's still vegan, but thank you, man, appreciate it. We got some mashed potato on the side as well. Some, I don't know, looks like cucumber and some sauce. But just look at the texture of this thing. Wow. Just check this thing out. It's so huge. It looks exactly like steak. It doesn't make any sense, so I'm gonna try it right now.
Okay, there you
The
go.
consistency, like, feels like I'm cutting like a super tender piece of dead friends, but it's so weird. This doesn't feel right.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Feels like I'm having real meat.
Are you cheating? You're cheating on the diet?
I am.
Oh wow, it's like even fatty, like soft as you're cutting it.
Look at the little fibers. Do you like it?
As like I said, I feel like I'm getting a bad conscience.
Crazy. So apart from the steak, we have some steak sandwiches. So we got 3 pieces here to share. So we got like a steak, veggies. It's almost like a club sandwich, I guess, or a beef sandwich. I don't know. So I'm gonna try that right now. Super juicy. That's good. That's a really good sandwich. Amazing. 10 out of 10. Amazing place. Come here if you're in Tel Aviv. You're not gonna regret it. 416. Alright, so dinner was amazing. I'm so full. So we walked all the way back and now I'm at the beach. Leo's going for a little nap because we're gonna go to a team dinner for like the people who attended the conference. So yeah, I just figured I'd stop by the calisthenics park right around the corner from the hotel because I haven't been able to work out today and we're trying to make some gains here. So let's do this. Done with 100 pull-ups, feeling tired, back at the hotel room right now. So we are ready to just finish off the trip. We're gonna go to a dinner right now, but I can't be bothered to vlog anymore. I'm too tired. So thank you so much for sticking around, for joining me on this trip to Tel Aviv, Israel. It was amazing, super fun. I had an amazing time. I love going to these events, getting to talk to people, educate people on the plant-based lifestyle, the vegan lifestyle, and just make people healthier, happier, more compassionate. That's my jam. That's what I love doing. So thank you so much for giving me the opportunity and the platform to be able to do so. You guys are the best. Anyways, make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Leave a like. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments below. And as always, I'll see you very soon. Peace out.